Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing an acrylic infill redesign, and these have been on my clients' nails for 4 weeks now, and I'm just going to take my medium e-file bit and I'm going to start to remove that previous design. I'm now going to push back my client's cuticles, and then I'm going to take my 180 grit file and I'm going to start putting that shape back into my client's nails, and I'm going to start prepping that natural nail area. So I'm now going to dehydrate and prime these nails, and then I'm going to pop down a clear layer of flawless clear, and then we'll be ready for the design. So I'm now going to use a milky white acrylic just on that free edge area of that little nail, and then I'm going to do the same on the pointer finger and thumb. So on the ring finger, I'm going to be using Team Gorgeous Princess, and this is a gorgeous pink, absolutely love it. So I'm going to use that over the whole nail, and then once I've done this, I'm going to be using Nail Sugar's Flutterby glitter, and I'm just going to create a bit of a diagonal across the centre of this nail with those butterflies and those bits of glitter, and then I'm going to apply Team Gorgeous Princess to the middle nail as well. So I'm now going to be using Team Gorgeous Pink Prosecco, and that just blends so beautifully, and it's got that gorgeous shimmer in it, and I know I've said it before, but that is absolutely stunning, and with this ombre it just looks perfect. Like, look at that blend. That's just one bead blended down towards the free edge. Incredible, absolutely love it. So now I'm going to cap all of these nails with Flawless Clear Acrylic. I'm just going to make sure that I've capped that blend so I don't file it out, and make sure that I've capped all of that gorgeous glitter as well. So I'm now going to take my 180 grit file and start filing and refining these. I'm just going to take my fine e-file bit and I'm just going to whiz around that cuticle area and sidewalls, making sure that they're all nice and flush. And then I'm going to take my buffing block and I'm just going to buff over all of these nails just to make sure that there's no scratches that will be seen once I apply the top coat. I'm now going to apply my no wipe top gloss, and look how sparkly they are, they're so pretty. They're absolutely gorgeous, so elegant and pink and pretty. So once I've applied this, I'm going to pop this into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. As always, I'm going to finish with a little bit of cuticle oil, and I hope you enjoyed this super elegant number. I will pop the websites below to where you can get the glitter and the acrylic. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.